So we have a tankless water heater here. These are becoming more popular over the tank water heaters, tank style. This is an on-demand gas tankless water heater. Some of the benefits would be never running out of hot water. As long as you have gas, power to the unit, and as long as you have the faucet open, you'll have hot water. So if you have a large family, runs a lot of hot water, you don't have to worry about the tank going cold. Another thing is it's a smaller unit, so you don't have 50 gallons of water sitting in there. If you have a seasonal cabin, you don't have that water just sitting there stagnant for that long period of time that you're not there. So a lot of these do have also frost protection built into it. So if it is getting cold in the house, these will fire to keep themselves from freezing. Another nice feature there, even if you're not using it, it will keep the tank warm.